Hey, what's up guys, it's Fusion and welcome back to a new video. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys how to become a verified Fortnite creator, or also known as verified epic creator. So guys, I'm going to hop right into the video. All I ask is that you guys would drop a like on the video and drop a sub. And guys, I love to make videos that help you guys out. If there's anything you guys want to know about YouTube, Fortnite, Epic, leave a comment down below of a question, and if I think that your question will help a lot of people, I'll make a video off of your question. So now let's jump right into the video. So guys, what is a verified epic creator? Well, I believe the issue with why some people cannot publish Fortnite maps and that some can is because you have not verified yourself as the creator. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, let's hop over to right here, which link will be in the description. You just scroll down from the top of the page to how do I get approved. So when you apply as a Fortnite creator, you apply your YouTube, your Twitch, whatever has over 1,000 subs or followers. And then if you're approved, they usually email you something like this or saying that you're approved. And then you'll have a code, everything's cool like that, but you still can't publish your Fortnite creative maps. Now this, I believe, is because you're not verified. So if you could read right here, how do I get approved? Before we can approve your application, we need to make sure that you are the actual owner of the channels you submitted. Please follow these steps to complete your application and become a verified epic creator. So what you need to do is copy your unique verification code. Now, I think what this is your actual creator code, so I'm not allowed to show you guys inside of the Epic control panel, but pretty much what you want to do is just click on earnings on your dashboard, and then it will say my creator tag, and that's what it means, your creator tag, your supporter creator code. Copy that, so copy your creator code and paste this code in one of these following pages. At the bottom of your YouTube about page, in a Twitch panel, Mixer at the bottom of your public channel description, Twitter or Instagram at the bottom of your profile bio, or Facebook and VK at the bottom of your page's about section. And then what you want to do is send an email to creator-support@epicgames.com with a link to any of these above, and you cannot send a screenshot, it has to be a link. Then it says our team will then check your link and verify whether you're the actual owner of the channel. You will receive an additional email once your application has been fully approved. So guys, if you have got this email or you're in the program but you don't have maps, there's something missing, but you have been accepted, this is what you have to do. So like I said, all you have to do is copy your creator code. If you have the 1,000 subs on YouTube, go paste it in your YouTube about section. If you are on Instagram, go paste it in your bio on Instagram. You just basically want to put creator code or epic creator code and then put your code there. Then you just want to copy that link, whether it be Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and send it to an email to creator@support@epicgames.com. And I will show you guys a little demonstration on what your email should be. So I'm on Gmail here, and all you want to do is copy this email right here, and you want to send it to this, and as a subject, say verification for epic creator, and then all you want to put, so this is pretty much how you want the email to be, guys. Dear Epic, I was approved to be a Fortnite creator, but my application is not fully done. I was informed that I need to verify that I am the owner of my channel. Here's the link to my channel. Thank you, and then put your real name. So guys, this little template will be down in the description, and by no ways am I trying to help somebody cheat through the system. I'm just simply giving advice and showing to somebody who might not know how to do this. So guys, if this did help you, please drop a like on the video. I really wish you guys the best of luck with your creator journey. I will be making more videos on how-tos, and it will be with your guys' questions. So leave a question down below of what you need help with, and I may make a video on that subject. And I'll catch you guys later. And remember, God loves you.